Okay, I'm going to try it myself. Oops. Whoopsie. Nice, Maya, oh. I know how to fly it. See? I feel the air. I'm good, right? 360. Is she spinning? Yeah, she spins. Slowly. Slowly. Maya, oh!
And 1, 2, 3, let's fly!
Yay! Yeah, nice landing.
Yeah.
Go, Maya. Whee! Whoa! Yo! Nice flying skills, Maya. Ow! Ow! So fun, right? Do you know how to land? Land her. Yeah, you're so good. You're so good, Maya. Yeah. Wow, this is nice! Barbie Starlight Adventure! RC Flying Hoverboard! With easy-to-use controller! Nicey! 360 spinning action! Ultra durable! Wow, this is nice, Markslen! A Barbie RC Flying Hoverboard! Oh yeah! She really flies! Nicey! The side of the box. Okay. The back of the box. Okay. It includes USB cable for charging. Oh yeah. The controller. Haha. Barbie Starlight Adventure. She flies. She hovers. She spins. Nice. Nice, cute. Okay, the box is open. Maya, pull it out, please. Pull out the Barbie hoverboard. Oh, no, not like that. Pull out the box. Okay, I will do it. Okay, nicey. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to charge this hoverboard so later we can play it. Alright. Okay, the instructions. It says indoor use only. Okay. Okay, 3 AAA batteries installed. Are you ready, Maya? Okay, let's try it. Okay, the controller is on. Ready, Maya?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa! Wow! Wow! I feel the air. Nice one, Maya. She really flies. 360 spin, Maya. Yay! Oh! Put her higher. Adjust the trim. Oh, oh, oh! You know how to do it now, Maya? 360 spin, Maya. Okay. There you go. It does. She does spin. Ah! Ah! Move her, Maya.
I am moving.
Use the joystick. I think we need to recharge it, Maya. Yeah.
Never mind the bear.
Build the bear again?
I will feel bear.
Okay, Maya, we need to recharge this thing. So what, Maya? Those?
Yeah.
Cute! Can I see? Wow, this is cute, Maya.
This is for
And the shoes? Awesome! Let's try, Maya. Hold your bunny. Hold your bunny. Face her. Face her to me. Yeah, it fits. Awesome, it fits. Are you ready? Okay, let's pay.